I'm going to show you why you need to use Hungarian paprika for the best flavour in chicken paprikash. Plus, I'm making a few changes from the authentic version to make it super speedy and something my kids will absolutely devour. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I love cooking and experimenting with different dishes from around the world, and traditional chicken paprikash uses bone-in pieces of chicken, which my kids aren't that keen on. So I'm going to be using chicken breast pieces today for a quick and easy midweek meal with loads of depth of flavour using those key ingredients. So let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large pan over a medium to high heat. Now I'm using my cast iron pan because it's got a lid. If you haven't got one, then that's fine. You can just use a large frying pan and then cover it with foil later. Add a diced large onion to the pan and cook for 5 minutes until softened. Now for the chicken, I've got 3 chicken breasts here, which is about 525 grams or 1.1 pounds, and they've been sliced into bite-sized pieces. As I said, the kids aren't that keen on bone-in chicken, so this is what we're going with. We're going to coat the chicken in 2 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Add the coated chicken to the pan and cook for 5 minutes, turning the chicken a few times until lightly browned all over. Next in goes the signature flavour for the paprikash, the paprika. Now I recommend using a Hungarian paprika. Just look at the difference in both of these. So this is the Hungarian paprika and this is regular store-bought paprika. The difference in colour is pretty astounding, but it's the smell. I mean, this one you can't smell a lot. This one has just got a beautiful, intense, earthy smell to it. It's really fantastic. I'll leave a link to the one that I use in the description below. If you can't get hold of it, then you can use store-bought paprika if you need to, but just check the dates and be sure to go with the freshest one that you can. Once the chicken's lightly browned, then turn the heat down to medium and add in 2 tablespoons of paprika and 2 minced cloves of garlic. Stir together for a minute to coat the chicken. Now add in a 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of chopped tomatoes and 480 ml or 2 cups of chicken stock and stir everything together and bring it to the boil. Traditionally this dish doesn't use tomatoes, but it is more common to use them these days. I prefer to add them in because it gives a lovely little bit of tang to the dish. Now we're going to place a lid on the pan and let that simmer gently for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the lid and simmer for a further 10 minutes till the chicken's cooked through and the sauce has thickened slightly. Now turn off the heat and stir through about 1/2 cup, which is about 110 ml of sour cream. Serve this delicious chicken paprikash with pasta, topped with a little bit more sour cream and a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. Not necessarily a traditional paprikash, but it's got all of those key amazing flavours. I know the family's going to love it. And if you're looking for more ideas for quick and easy midweek meals, then check out my playlist here. And if you've got a little bit more time on your hands and you want to level up your dinner, then why not try making your own pasta? See you next time. So good.